Hey guys, what's going on today? I just wanted to give a little market recap of my trades today. Didn't have the best day trading. It was just an okay day. Kind of annoying actually. It's kind of sucks to see the market really shoot up and your trades just really aren't matching up to what you think you should be making in the market. But there's so many trading days and it happens. So I'm just go over a couple of my stocks. First, let's go over Bank of America. This is my first play this morning, and it just didn't work out for me at all. So let me make this bigger for you guys. And so here's the Bank of America chart, and this is actually my first stock I had called out for my trading room that just totally didn't work out at all. I mean, I think I did end up making some money in it, but it wasn't near the loss. I think I lost like 500, was it 500 or so, something. I don't want to look. I think it was around there. But I had entered the trade around 9. Now we're down 42 this morning. And as you can see, I entered right here on some Bank of America calls expiring this week, and look, it just dropped off from here. So I don't know what happened. I mean, I didn't prepare any notes for this video either, so I'm really just going. It's my first time really going through my trades today with you guys. But what did I want to see? I want to see. Okay, so it hit a high of $29. So I guess it's probably some resistance up here, I would say. But there was so much flow coming in this morning, I was almost certain that the stock should shoot up from there. Maybe I just got in a little too late. And also I wasn't even checking the bids on it just to see like if any sellers were coming out of the stock. But like I said, there was so much flow in here, and I'll actually pull up the flow in this stock so you can see. But like I said, this one really didn't work out, and I hate when I call these trades out and they don't work out. Just because I want the people in my Discord group to always win. But anybody that tells you that they win all the time is a liar. It's a stock market. It's built for you to lose, so you're going to have some losers. No one wins all the time. But okay, let's go back to around 9:30 ish. Okay, it was right around here. That flow, like what was it? Yeah, right around here that I had got in when I started seeing some flow pick up, and even there was some puts, but these puts are way out for 717. So here are the weeklies for this. They're coming in above ask, gobbling them up, but during this time you can see the stock was shooting down, and I really couldn't understand it. So I kind of wrote it all the way down, and I got out. I think it was like around I thought I got out like around here or somewhere, and that's why I told the group they should exit the trade also. So once I told them to go ahead and get out, I waited for it to bottom out, and I was able to buy back in right here, and I think I rode up a little bit, so I made like another like 250 back or so on Bank of America, and I believe I'm actually still holding. Yeah, I am. Okay, sweet. So I'm only down 156 right now in Bank of America. I'm still holding it right now to see what it'll do tomorrow. The market's actually it's kind of doing what it was doing last week, where it'll run up maybe a good amount of points during the day, but for the most part the biggest move is always during the overnight. So hopefully I can gain some exposure to that. I do have I have Bank of America. I'm holding overnight. Boeing, and I also have American Airlines because that's been shooting up. American Airlines, they might have rotated out of that one and into Southwest Airlines, but we'll see. I still do have that. So I'm just trying to be a part of the rally, or to get some exposure to this rally when stocks shoot up. They're shooting up overnight, and the futures are coming out. You see the stock market's probably going to open up 200 plus points, and you kind of miss that gap up, especially if you're a day trader. So let's try and get some exposure to that. My next trade is going to be Oracle. I did come out good in this one, so I guess I did have an okay day. I don't know why I'm so down on myself, like I had a bad day. This wasn't too bad, but I just expect better of myself. So let's put up this Oracle chart, and let's see. My first trade in Oracle was I bought 10 contracts at 1108. So here, 8 entry. and I was able to get out all of Oracle at, this is a buy. Hold on. Okay, I got out at 126. 12, 13, 1. Okay, so I go through the ones. Like I said, I got that first, so I really didn't look at my P&L after I got off the computer. I was coming over the market, honestly, and sometimes it's like that, you know. Sometimes I have fun trading, and some days I'm just ready to, you know, get in and get out and just be over with it. You know, I am addicted to trading. But yeah, so here's Oracle. I was able to enter right here for 49 cents, and then I did bought again because it kind of fell down. I did bought again at 52 cents. And once by the time I sold out of Oracle, I sold for 65 cents or $65 a contract. So I was be able to be profitable on this. And now that I'm thinking back on it, I think my main problem with the Bank of America trade is I was so tuned into that I wasn't looking at any other flow. So I was just strictly looking at flow from Bank of America, which is good and bad sometimes. So it gives you, so you can see like the dips in it, you can see when people are selling, but also you don't want to miss out on other plays. And the only reason I knew about this because the Discord group for BlackBox actually alerted, so I saw like a notification had popped up that somebody had entered this trade, and you know, I went back and looked at the flow really fast. Then I was like, oh, okay, yeah, you know, let me go ahead and get into this one. But you know, I would have seen that flow. I was looking at, you know, the flow in the market as a whole. So like, is that, for example, I was just looking at this, and I didn't have all options selected, so I wasn't looking at the rest of the flow from the whole market coming in. So I almost would have missed an Oracle trade, but I was able to get in it. We can look at some flow in that. Yeah, I mean, this thing shot up for the most part, you know, all day long. And this is what I would rather like that. Like, honestly, I might take Bank of America just off my trade list. I do have like a do not trade list, and Bank of America is so close to being on that list right now. But this is my Oracle trade. This is the Oracle flow that had that I came into it. Let's look at the time. Okay, 7 minutes. I hate videos to drag out. Okay, and so that's it for Oracle. And another one I wanted to point out. So we went over Oracle. Okay, yeah, and lastly, let's talk about this because this actually saved my P&L for today. And I was just really just taking a dump on this stock. I think someone in the Discord group had asked me about it. I said something. I kind of just said something to know that, you know, like a company's going bankrupt. Like, why are people even, you know, buying into this stock? Like, I just really shot it down, and it humbled me because I don't know what's going on, but Hertz has got lit up. I mean, you look at all this call option flow into this stock, you know. So literally, I was able to trade this, and let me pull up Thinkorswim so you can see exactly when I got in it. Let's see. Let's zoom in a bit here. So Hertz, let's see. Hertz, I got in at 11 shares at $1.15 at what time? At 12:30. So right here. 30. Entry. And then I was able to get out of Hertz at 136. 12, 13, 36. It's up here. And it still went up after this. Like, I really sold too early. But, you know, profit's profit. Okay, so I had got in for $1.15. I sold for $1.65. So this is my winner for today, honestly. You know, I can zoom a little bit more so you guys can see it. But yeah, this is my winner for today. Let's see. Okay, here it is. It's kind of hard to see exit with the red. But here's my entry right here, and here's my exit, you know, way up here. And like I said, guys, the flow in this was going crazy. So literally, I'm kind of looking. I think someone in my room might have said something about Hertz, or we were talking about it. And I was able to look at flow, and I was like, come on, this company's going to bankruptcy. I'm not trading the stock. But I couldn't ignore the flow, and that's where it kind of humbled me that, you know, who cares exactly what's going on in the stock, or, you know, how you feel what the company might do. The flow doesn't lie, you know. So I don't know if it's some Robinhood traders pumping this up, or because, you know, the government slick owns Hertz now. They own their junk bonds now and their debts. So I'm not too sure. Maybe that's the reason that, you know, it was shooting up today. But, you know, it recovered my P&L, so I really can't even be mad. Can't be mad about it. Yeah, it's like I said, you know, there was just so much call flow coming into this. I really couldn't deny it, and that saved me. And so that's it for that. And the other, like I said, other positions I do have Boeing. The reason I have Boeing is because for most of this, but first of all, Boeing has been shooting up. I mean, I think they said Boeing had its best month in May ever. Yeah, I believe they said ever. On CNBC earlier, but Boeing is a good stock to get when the market is gapping up overnight, or when the Dow's gapping up overnight, because for the most part, if Boeing doesn't have any news really affecting it, negatively, it's going to react just how the Dow reacts. So if we're getting these gap ups in the market, and Boeing kind of acts the same to it, I'm going to get exposure to that. So hopefully that pays off for me tomorrow. I am currently up $78 in Boeing. So we'll see how it does tomorrow morning when the market opens up. And next I have American Airlines. And with this, I have this is because it's been shooting up for a while. Like I said, I might honestly, I could have missed it, which I did trade a couple of days ago for some profit, but I could have missed the overnight gap ups in this. It kind of looked like they were kind of rotating out of American Airlines and into Southwest Airlines, and I'll show that chart in a second. But but we'll see what happens. The airlines and cruise line stocks are really some of the main stocks, leading this whole rally in the market. So I just want to have some exposure to that. And like I said, I'll show you Southwest Airlines chart. And here's Southwest right here, kind of sporadic too at the same time, but there was way more flow in this for the weekly term. Now I believe that somebody in the Discord group had said they were going to go ahead and trade this. So I mean a decent amount. There's some puts here and there, but if the puts are way far out, so these are for 115 January of next year. So I'm not really even too worried about that. And somebody did point out that there was a lot of block options in these, so they weren't too sure about it. Let me show you American Airlines flow. Here's American Airlines flow, kind of all over, really more put activity. So we'll see how I turn out tomorrow. I could eat it tomorrow, but that's the whole game of the market. So we'll see what that is. I think that's everything I wanted to talk about today. Oracle, Bank of America, American Airlines, Hertz. Like I said, guys, Hertz just really saved my my P&L for the day. So you never know what the market's going to give you. People are piling into a company and it's about to be delisted and be bankrupt. I never thought I'd see it. So I guess it's a new age in the market. But yeah, guys, so I just want to make this video as a quick, trade recap. First of all, I need to do my homework and kind of go over these stocks, and I might as well, do it in front of you guys. I'll probably, after I end this video, I'll probably go into everything a little further detail. But yeah, that's all I think I wanted to talk about today. Hopefully tomorrow we get some pretty decent flow, and I probably will make a video tomorrow just to update you guys on how the American Airlines and Boeing trade went. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you please like, and subscribe to my channel. That definitely helps out the algorithm. And if you want, you can join the free Discord group. I'll go ahead and post the link to that in the bio, and I will pin the comment with the link to the Discord group. Thanks, guys.